Okay, so the next thing we need is benzyl acetate, and that's about 2 to 3 ml, very small quantity. Okay, so the next one after that is benzyl salicylate, and that's 12 ml. And I'm using ETHYLENE, roughly 2 ml, and ethyl acetate 5 ml, and phenyl ethyl alcohol roughly 5 ml as well. So these are all mixed together. Okay. So let's just do the test. Smells beautiful. I think one of the thing is the jasmine has changed a bit of more jasmine kind smell, so it's not authentic. So probably if you use the alternate of those two things that I mentioned when I use jasmine oil, that will give you a very quick impression of the envy. But right now it's a more smell of, there's a strength of jasmine has taken over everything, so we need to neutralize that. So what I need to do that is to control the smell of jasmine by adding musk cone, 10 you can say 30 ml, but this perfume will take some time to get mature, so 45 days we give. One thing you'll notice, we didn't add a lot of water or anything like that, because in the base there's a lot of things already there. So I'm reaching my desired kind of smell there by not adding any more water in it or anything that we normally add to all the perfumes. I'm going to add 50 ml of ISO Super. At this time you can see the perfume is cloudy, and one thing I can manage to make it more kind of crystal clear perfume is by adding Hedion to it. But I've already added my required amount of Hedion in it, and then I've added the jasmine, so the jasmine has taken over, you know, a bit. So I don't want to add more Hedion to it, so I'm going to balance this by using some other solvents. At this time, the choice I have is to use a bit of Hedion, but then balance out with the ISO Super. So ISO Super is going up, a bit of Hedion can go in there. So roughly 10 ml of Hedion and 20 ml of ISO Super addition. Let's see if it plays the trick. Beautiful. Okay, so at this stage I'm not worried, because the total quantity of oil apart from alcohol has reached the 30%. So you can see it's 1000 ml. So at this stage I'll play safe and I'll leave it for, let's say, 30 days, 40 days, and then continuously monitor the smell of it, how it changes, what is it missing, when everything mixed together. And then when it's all complete, then I will either increase the quantity of it, make it up to 1300, add more alcohol to it, and see if the crystallized form is achieved or not. So in this thing I'm not hiding anything, I'm just putting in everything right in front of you guys as it is. So you can see if there's a problem like this happen to you, so you can understand how to master that as well. So this is what I'm going to do, and obviously this thing needs time. This is the patience will always pay off, you know, when you see how it's changing, what is need, and if you compare with the actual perfume, that also help. So you can see what is the difference between the perfume that you made and the actual perfume, so you can understand and study the impression, and you can learn to see what is missing from your product. So this is the best way of doing the learning, by doing the actual thing. So thank you very much for your time today. I hope you enjoyed that. So if you have any special perfumes that you want us to make, we will try our best. But all depend on what kind of formula there is and what kind of materials we have available. So it's everything, if it's within our reach, we'll try definitely. So thanks again, and have a nice day.